Welcome, I'm filming a Nokia 2.3 and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and I really can't see the toggle right here, so it looks like we have to add it. And you can add the toggles to your notification panel by tapping on this pencil right here, and this will show you all the ones that are deactivated. And I can already see there is the hotspot. So what you want to do is hold it and it will kind of move up. You can see that, then you can drag it around and you want to drag it over the top and simply go back, and there we go. Now we have the hotspot toggle. So before you actually tap on it to enable it, we do need to change things like password, or at very least look at the password that is being generated. So you hold the toggle, it takes you to the settings, then you want to go to Wi-Fi hotspot, and right here we have the hotspot password. And once you tap on it, it will show you the randomly generated one. And if you want it, you can just write it down and use this one. Although personally, I prefer to just simply remove it and put my own. So it needs to have at least 8 characters in length, and from there I can tap on OK, and that's it. The password is set. Then at the top you also have the hotspot name. This is the name that will be visible in the Wi-Fi list, so you know what Wi-Fi you want to connect to. Now you can change this if you want to, or keep it as it is. It doesn't really matter, you just need to remember what it is here. And you also have advanced. It looks like we can't really change the AP band, so we're stuck at 2.4. And you have also the option to turn off hotspot automatically if no one is connected to it for some amount of time. This is probably a good option to have, so it doesn't drain your battery. It will just automatically turn off whenever it's not being used. And from there, once all of that is set, you can simply just go home, pull down the notification panel once more, and tap on the toggle. And this will enable the hotspot with the name that we have. Let me quickly get my phone so you can see what I mean. Let's just go to Wi-Fi list. Make it way brighter, there we go. So you can see somewhere there it is, Nokia 2.3, and if I want to connect to it, I will need to use this password. Now also do it like so. It's connecting, and you can see that I am now connected. Now in here it looks like it doesn't give us any information in the notification right here that someone is connected, but it does give us right over here. So you can see there's one device and this gray text right under the hotspot to signify that someone is actually connected to it. Okay, so that is how you would use it. Now once you're done with it, you can either just simply disconnect from it and wait for it to turn off on itself, or you can tap on the toggle yourself and this will turn it off. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.